one of the major industries in the city of Baguio is tourism. We are an educational center, at the same time, tourism. So, let us continue to maintain and manage our city the best we can. Because it's only when you will have good infrastructure, city services, is in order, clean air, you have a good solid waste management system that will continue to attract tourists to come to the city of Baguio. And naturally, if tourists will come here, they are not going to be here without eating. They are not going to be here without boarding in a hotel. They are not going to be here without spending a cent. And that will form part of the revenue of the city government, because if the private sectors, those engaged in entrepreneurs in the market, those in the night market, those in the different parts of the city, the department stores and the hotels, will continue to progress, their business tax will continue also to increase. That will be revenue to the city government.